Hey, it's Victor from Social Firestarter. Today I want to look at something that's more content related. So I just want to quickly talk about external links and why you need them within the content on your website. So this is just one of many pages on this client's website. This particularly is a part of the blog section, but I would say that this is something that you can implement on every single page. It's going to be most important for your practice area pages, basically any pages on your website that are dedicated to rank for the category key terms like car accident attorney or personal injury attorney, and stuff like that. You're definitely going to want to make sure any page that you're trying to rank has some external links in there. So I'm going to talk about how you can go about this, as well as just like how many is a good amount and how many is just overdoing it. Now, with external links, you can't really overdo it too much because of the strategy that I'm going to show you right now. So basically, taking this piece of content here, this is specifically, it's like a supporting page for the car accident practice area page. It is just kind of going deeper into a particular topic that maybe people are searching for. For example, as you can see the headings here, they're all different questions that people do search for. So it's a great idea to kind of base the content around that. What you want to do is wherever possible, wherever it makes sense, if you can reference to something like, for example, an official document from like a state website that really clearly states a law. For example, this right here. It's a great opportunity to do an external link. So let me go ahead and explain this because there are different types of links on here. When I say external, I mean specifically linking to some sort of domain that is not your actual website. So for example, this link right here, if you can see the bottom left of my screen, that's just it's actually just the home page. So that doesn't count, that's an internal link. If you're pointing to pages within your website, that's an internal link, which I can cover on a different video. But right now we're talking specifically about these external links. So we have one up here, and then we have one down here. This should be it for this page. So right here, how to look up an accident report. It actually goes ahead and links out to this website here, which is a great resource. So pretty much whenever you can cite something and provide a link to a good resource to continue reading more about that, that's basically the type of opportunity that you need to look for your external links. There are other ways that people like to do this. Other SEO marketers, a lot of times they'll just find like a cookie cutter way to do it, where they can easily implement it on every single page without having to read the content or without having to rewrite any of the content, because sometimes you got to do that. But a lot of times you'll see people that do external links to Wikipedia. You can do Wikipedia, but it's honestly not the best use of your external links. This is a really good example of it, the two that I pointed out here off of this page. But really any type of opportunity you can find to just further provide more information on what you're already talking about is going to be a great idea. So this post, I believe this is about 1,000 words, maybe 750 actually. But just two external links on there is going to be fine. That's going to work for pretty much any page on your website. But yeah, there's, if you're citing more and more external links and you're doing them because it actually benefits the reader, then I would say it's not going to be too much. So, you can put a whole lot more in there, but as a minimum, 2 is going to be fine. And again, the reasoning behind why the algorithm might prefer a page like this. And you can test this out too if you have very similar pages. And then, like basically, if you were to duplicate this page, and this was back from October, but let's say I made a fresh page and I created 2 copies of it, one of which has external links, the other one doesn't. The one with external links will outrank the one without it. It just from a user experience standpoint, it's a much better, much more valuable page to be serving to people than one without any external links on it. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you're trying to look for some more details as to how we form our content and how we optimize it, because there's definitely a bunch of other things to talk about here, definitely go and visit lawyergnb.com. You can find some more information about our agency and how we might be running the optimizations for the content. So thanks for checking it out. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments section below.